This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Maury Blefeld. Nestled in a welcoming community is a tastefully designed home that epitomizes modern comfort and style, offering a perfect blend of practicality and aesthetics. Spanning an impressive 2,217 square feet, the split floor plan of this residence unveils a carefully curated layout, boasting 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This home has been updated with a new roof 2022, new tiles flooring throughout the main space of the home, new HVAC 2022 and new water heater 2023, new pool screening, new pool pump, new irrigation on both lots. This home has an additional lot attached. As you step into this haven of refinement, a sumptuous living room greets you at the forefront, accompanied by an inviting dining room and a sumptuous master suite. Designed for harmonious family living, the expansive family room seamlessly connects to a well-appointed kitchen, replete with a central island, dual sinks, and the latest Samsung appliances. Revel in the convenience of not one, but 2 walk-in pantries, cabinet pullouts, and the tasteful touch of the tile flooring that graces each step. A spectacle of architectural brilliance, the home boasts tall pitched ceilings adorned with intricate crown molding, creating an atmosphere of grandeur. Oversized windows generously usher in natural light, casting a radiant glow that accentuates every corner of this opulent abode. Venture outside, and the living experience effortlessly spills into an enchanting screened entertaining area. Expansive pool takes center stage. A large covered patio beckons you to host gatherings, providing a year-round retreat to savor moments of leisure while basking in the embrace of the lush, serene surroundings. Seize this rare opportunity, as the previous buyer's change of heart opens the door for you to claim this haven of contemporary splendor as your own. Also, there is a fire pit to enjoy the cooler nights. Don't miss the chance to make this dream home yours. For more information, review the details below.